Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the man we all been waiting on. The man of the hour, the Lone Ranger himself. Oh, he up in here tonight. Mr. Dragonblood. Dragonblood. Dragonblood.
Good evening. You've just installed OBS. You recorded something in your game. You recorded something on your desktop and you're not able to hear either your desktop audio or your mic. Let's get that fixed for at least 90% of you, I hope. I want you to go to File, Settings, Output, Recording, Audio Track, 1, 2. You can barely see the check there because I'm recording. Audio. I want to see desktop audio default. I want to see mic auxiliary audio default. Advanced audio properties. I want to see desktop audio 1. I want to see mic 2. And I want you to slide down and make sure none of these other tracks are checked. 1 and 2. You can see the mic bar moving when I speak. We are recording audio. That is recording. Let's play video.
Brigands I can handle, but this talk of dragons...
We can see both tracks.
World's gone mad, I say.
Okay.
My boys will keep you safe. Don't you worry.
We are recording desktop audio and mic audio. If you can see both of these lines moving, you are recording that audio. It is being recorded. So why are you only hearing either the mic or the desktop? If you notice the video that I just played, you could only hear the game. Let's have a listen to this. Testing. I am standing in front of the... No, I do not want survival mode. Standing in front of the Fletcher here in Whiterun.
Brigands I can handle, but this talk of dragons? World's gone mad, I say.
And if you can hear my voice, we are running this video.
My boys will keep you safe. Don't you worry.
Thank you, Commander. We are running this video in shortcut. Let me play the same video again in Media Player. There's no mic. That is because OBS is outputting 2 tracks and the Media Player, movies and TV, is only playing 1 track. So, you may say, Dragonblood, why did you have me play it in 2 tracks? We could just put them both on 1 track, and if you did, you'd have audio, and that would work, but that is not how this program functions. If you were going to use this program that way, the file size would be enormous. This program is not meant to be used that way. It is meant to be used this way. You record in OBS and you use a program like Shotcut to process it, edit it, format it, export it, and then you can play it. Let me give you an example. A 28-minute video output in OBS 30 gigabyte. 30 gigabyte. Now that is 2 tracks. One track, one audio track would be smaller. After putting it into Shotcut, 17 minutes. It's actually 17, nearly 18 minutes. 1.7 gigabyte. So there you have it, guys. There's your fix. If you have any other questions, please comment. I hope we solved your problem. I'm out. Have a good one.